Hi everybody, Vegas and Stilettos here. You will not believe what I have for you today. I don't believe what I have for you today. I'm so happy about this. Okay, so when I was going through the list of box subscriptions, I ran into this box subscription that I'm about to unbox for you today. And I just about flipped my shit. There is a Walking Dead box subscription. I was like, I have to get that. They also have a GOT. We got that one too, and I'm excited for that one whenever the hell it gets here, but let's get to this one. Okay, so the Walking Dead box subscription. It is a quarterly subscription box, and it cost us $57.95, and that was after shipping. I think, because I did open it up just because I couldn't wait. It got here yesterday. I did open it up, and I think what they did was they sent us last quarter's box, since we kind of subscribed in the middle of the quarter. So what I'm actually looking at here is December's box. So I should be getting another one of these either at the end of this month or at the beginning of next month. And I opened this up and I just, okay, so it comes in an outer box. So I did have an idea of what it was, because it says, let's see, make sure I'm covering this up. It says right there on the box what it is. And it came yesterday. My husband was out of town yesterday, so I had to wait for him to get home to open it. I didn't even give him a chance to get his damn shoes off before he got in the door. So you open the box, and there's another box inside. And as you can see, it's kind of Christmassy themed. And I'm thinking, what good is that gonna do? Why? I don't know. Why wouldn't they just send us this quarter? But I don't know, dude. So it says, don't open, dead inside. And then over there it says The Walking Dead. Has the Daryl wings on it. And The Walking Dead on that side. Oh my goodness, okay. So we open it up, and this is what it looks like inside. So right off the bat, I am seeing a black hoodie. And this is mine. I am keeping this 100%. Nobody else is getting their freaking hands on this. I will chop my son's hands off if he tries to take this from me. And on the back, it has Daryl wings. And then on the sleeve, down the sleeve, it says, fight the dead, fear the living. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And it's really well made too. I mean, it's a hoodie. It's not, I don't know, it's just really sturdy. It's thick and it's soft. Oh, I'm gonna love that. And then I dig a little further in here, and then there is a beanie that says TWD on it. I look weird with a beanie on. That'll probably go to my son or my husband. Oh, my hair just went flying away. And then we have some Carol and Ezekiel push pins that my husband will add to his collection of push pins. That is so cute. Look how adorable those are. Oh, I love it. That is so great. It's just so great. Look, my hair's freaking out on me. Sorry. And then we also have The Art of Peace. And this was the book that Morgan got from the cheesemaker, his friend the cheesemaker. And he carried this around in his back pocket, and it's the actual book. And it also comes with a bookmark It says For the Dead, For the Living. So that has Morgan's stick on it. But no, it's like, it's a real book. It's the real book. Can you see that? It's a little blurry. This is amazing. I can't wait to read this. Oh, goodness. And then next we have, now, I mean, I would generally, like, normally be pissed off about this, but I'll just hold on to it till next year. It is Walking Dead wrapping paper. Look, it's got zombies, Christmas zombies on it. That is crazy. I love it. Has Daryl's crossbow right there. Ah. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever been so excited for a box. This is insane. And then in here we have a certificate of authenticity, and it's artwork. So there's a certificate, and if I open it up, it's artwork that can be framed and hung up. So there's the certificate. That's really cool. And it looks like maybe the, oh, it's Tracy. Tracy Ching is, I guess, the, yep, is the artist. And then she signed it. And there it is. Look at that. That's beautiful. I will frame that and hang it. I really will. I love this box. This is probably the best box ever. Yeah, it's definitely the best box ever. All right, that is the Walking Dead subscription box. I love it. I don't think I could ever get enough of this. This is awesome. Bye guys, see you next time.